Hello everyone, this is Irfan Rashid from YouTube Guru, and today I will show you how you can install a window on the Dell through a bootable USB drive. Okay, and here I will show you how you can install Windows 10 on the Dell through bootable USB, how you can make it bootable in the Dell laptop. So the first step is just add USB to the laptop and restart it and press F12 here, and here you can see this is the menu, and in the menu you have to select USB storage device. So through the arrow button, move downward here and press enter, and it will give you option here. The Windows installation has been started. You can see that we are going to install the Windows 10 Professional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. This is the Windows, and I have selected the language, time, and the keyboard. After this I will select next and click on install now. This is very simple. You can do that if you know the Windows installations, how to do that. Here I will select the Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and you can see that. If you want to get the setup of the Windows, I will put link within the description, and I will also put a link how you can activate it for a lifetime 100% free. So go to the description and get the links. First I want to format this drive, and here it is. And after formatting it, this drive is selected, and click on next, and the installation has been started.